So how to choose a fresh fish? First thing, look at the eyes. The eye must be as crystal clear as possible. Okay, something like this. So how do you look for this particular seafood truck? Very easy. It's actually right across Taman Desa Singki Kitchen. Every Friday morning, starting from 6:30 a.m. every Friday morning, Taman Desa Kuala Lumpur.
Ini ada
tambah. Itu dalam air ada.
ini banyak.
Rp64. Itulah.
So how to choose a fresh fish? First thing, look at the eyes. The eye must be as crystal clear as possible. Okay, something like this. And then of course, you look at the gills. Yeah, it must be very reddish in color. Beautiful reddish in color, and then the fish body must be still very firm and fleshy as well. Yeah, all these are very good signs telling you it is very fresh fish. Some people told me after Appa taught them how to choose seafood, that sometimes they are still very unsure. Now, if you're very unsure, then you should buy from your reliable or trusted seafood seller. Like him, every time if some of his seafood is not as fresh, he will tell you. He will actually tell you it's not as fresh, then he will actually sell it a little bit cheaper than normal. So yeah, try to find your reliable and trusted seafood seller. Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Apa's video.